welcome to Sandpaper. মই হলো আপোনালোকৰ এডুকেটৰ অস্মিতা বা and মই লৈ আনিছো আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে essay module inside the rapid revision series. So এতিয়ালৈকে rapid revision series ৰ কথাটো I think আপোনালোকে গমে পাইছে যে this is a even more compressed module than the crash course. Crash course or concept to কেনেকুৱা হয় কি you go inside the crash course thinking that your course will be completed. Your course will be completed between 3 to 4 months. That is the concept of a crash course. But the rapid revision series courses concept is that the whole course will be completed between 3 to 4 days. We have made it 50 hours. Not that ki apni 50 hours pohi pala you will be 100%. Jodi apni kono base ba background loi aha nai and you complete this 50 hours, you will be through the examination. That should not be the thinking. But these 50 hours will be very vital in your revision because apni a 50 hours jodi revision kori loy, then I am very 100% sure that your concepts will be crystal clear aru apni mains ot bahut bhal ke answers likhibo paribo. So today I have brought the essay module, which was a very much asked module. So let's start the essay module. Starting our essay module, we need to know what consists of the essay paper. So essay paper I have dukhon paper. First paper, the first paper that we have, the first paper is generally of philosophical concept. Philosophical concept. And the second paper, writing in middle, is generally GS oriented. Alright? So philosophical paper or GS oriented paper approach to belag hoy. As we go inside the module, then we will read achhe se how both the modules have to be, both the essays have to be written about. But before starting the whole thing, these both essays will have equivalent marks, 125 marks, 125 marks, and we have to take care of each essay. Okay, so let's first see how we are going to start the essay. So paper ahile, paper khon ami pai golu, paper khon poar pisot what are we going to do? Paper khon poar pisot, the first thing that we are going to do is, of course, what? Read the paper. Paper khon pohilu, paper khon pohi pela of course ami bhoy khabo nalage, otherwise the whole thing will be like apna derail hoi jabo apnaloke jodi arambhonite apni bhoy sai khai jay. So you take the paper and you spend a good 20 minutes out of 90 minutes in these steps juntu moi tia kom. Okay, so number one point is choosing your essay. How to choose your essay topic. So the point is ki apuni je eta 125 marks or ekhon essay likhibo jabo, that 125 marks or essay khon kintu apnar GS or question or nista nohoy, because the GS question e okol apunak demand koribo je you write an answer of 250 words. At maximum of 250 words for a 15 marker and a 150 words for 10 marker. Now this answer is like one big GS answer which is of 125 marks. Apunar imagine kori saok how many more words will you have to put inside the essay. So an essay is expected to have a total of 1000 to 1200 words. It is expected that apunar essay to 1000 to 1200 words hoy, and 1000 to 1200 words is not a joke. Apuni ji kuno random topic opor 1200 words likhibo nwaribo pare. So you need to be very very careful on how you choose your essay topic. Okay, so essay topic or upor there are some general ideas. You need to be very smart in choosing the topic. You should be best able to understand the matter and articulate it for the chosen topic of essay. Okay, and it should never skip your mind that you need to write a hefty 1200 word on the topic, which means also almost a whole chapter about it. You cannot go back in the middle of the essay. So apuni jodi randomly eta topic select kori loy, apni bhabe hoi jabo etu ma pohisu e moi likhilom, if you do not give enough idea or enough thought inside it, there is a huge probability ki apuni 600 শব্দ লিখা পিছত you will lose track of it. Etu অনুশীলন 1.0 and also in all the previous online sessions that I have taken with my students, I have seen that derailing from the topic is very easy. Like apuni jodi arambho thikke kore and you have not gotten proper understanding of the topic or apnar mind or jodi articulation or olopo issue ase, then after 600 words or after 500 words you will start writing random things. So if you start writing random things, you might be thinking je 1200 শব্দ hole hoi jabo, but the examiner will definitely not give you good marks. This has to be inside of a mind very properly. All those 1200 words need to be your A1 articulation which you can put on paper. Okay? So ami jetia to agbahi jao, let's go ahead. Yeah. So the third point that I have written here, that the chosen topic should be able to reflect your strength and creativity at best. Tar mane ki hoy? Tar mane etu hoy je once you have the topic, it should be your strength. There are some myths regarding the topic. There are some myths. I'm writing here. There are some myths. Okay? The more unique is the topic, more are the marks. Directly proportional boli bhaba jay. That uniqueness is directly proportional to the number of amount of marks that you are getting. That is the biggest myth possible. There is nothing as such ki unique hole kuneo nilikha essay khon likhile moi likhile besi marks pam. That's a very wrong concept. Kati dilu. Uniqueness of the topic has no relationship to marks. If you are thinking that you will write something which no one else has written and then ace it, titya belag kotha. But the inherent toughness of the topic will not give you marks. Hobo pare ki 4 of the topics are out of 4 topics, 1 topic is very easy, 2 topics are average and 1 topic is very tough. And if you feel je apni tough topic to select korile, you will be like, given extra 10 marks. Nothing of that sort happens. You will be not given marks for that, not given marks for choosing a tough topic. So do not choose a tough topic. Do not choose a tough topic. Do not choose a tough topic. Until you can ace it. Until you can ace it. Ace it. Okay? So do not choose a tough topic until you can ace it. If you can ace it, that's a different matter altogether. So choose a topic which might be easy, doesn't matter, but the topic apunar usort enough content thakibo lage so that you can write a proper essay on that topic. Jeneke, for example, you have junto amar GS oriented or sarita, for example, let us suppose that we had four topics in the GS paper. Choose this white side. So let us assume what I am writing has no relationship to the point above. I am just using as a board. So let us assume that in the GS oriented paper, we had 4 topics. One topic was of globalization. One topic was of floods. Floods in Assam, to be specific. Floods in Assam. One topic was about, let us think about something very tough. Economic downfall of Greece. Not very tough, but not in highlight right now, of Greece. Economic downfall of Greece and extraction of oil and fuel reserve from Gulf. Okay? Very bad handwriting I have written. Do not write such bad handwriting in your paper, but I hope you can understand what I have written here. So the topic number 1 I have put in globalization, floods in Assam, economic downfall of Greece, and extraction of oil and fuel reserve from Gulf. Okay? So the obvious and the most easiest topic here we have is, I'll just change the heading. The obvious topic that is the easiest one is floods of Assam. Honkara sobe flood of Assam likhibo pare. Even you have a child from class 4, I think they'll be able to write a couple of sentences about flood of Assam. So the most easiest topic is flood of Assam. That's a globalization to ঠিকই আছে অলপ অলপ পাৰা যায় আৰু economic downfall of Greece যদি কোনবাই 2-3 বছৰ পৰা প্ৰিপাৰেচন কৰি আছে they will know what am I talking about. And extraction of oil fuel reserve from ground is a completely random topic. Eto apni kunu enage specific jodi apni bohi poha nai, you will have a 100-mark answer for 100 words answer for it, but 1000 and 1200 words for oil reserve until and unless we have a specialization and we belong to geology and stuff, tetialake amar kane likha tu digdar hobo pare. So it might look that floods in Assam is the easiest, so we should not go about it. Wrong. We should go to floods of Assam if we are best in giving the concept and the content for this topic only. Enuka hobo nalage je I will write some random stuff on this extraction of oil and fuel reserve from Gulf and I'll get good mark because I'll be unique. So the unique point I think is pretty justified at this point. The uniqueness has no relationship with your marks. It is how you present your concept. So choose the best topic you have in your mind. So the most easy topic holeo choose that. If I would have been an aspirant at this moment, I would have definitely written floods in Assam. Because floods in Assam মোৰ ওচৰত ঢেৰ content আছে, মই 1200 কি 2000 লিখিব পাৰো, লিখিব নালাগে, but যেহেতু মোৰ ওচৰত content আছে in floods of Assam, I will write floods in Assam. I have content for globalization as well, কোনো problem নাই, but how to choose between flood in Assam and globalization, that is in your own academics. আপুনি কোনটো বস্তু বেছি ভালকে পঢ়ছে, you can use either of it. In the flood of Assam topic to choose korar pisot, how do we go forward? We'll look at the module further. So now we have chosen our topic. We have chosen what? Floods in Assam. We have chosen whatever topic we wanted to choose, we chose it. Now choose korar pisot what to do. Choose korar pisot, do not scribble on the first page. Eto apnar booklet hoy na, eneke booklet ekhon ahibo, ইয়াত APSC বুলি লিখা থাকিব, ইয়াত এনেকে থাকিব, ইয়াত এনেকে থাকিব, থাকিব যে ইয়াত এনেকে থাকিব. So this is how you are going to write. Generally there are about 60 pages. So a 60 pages are turn to the last page. Turn to the last page. And for yourself give the heading brainstorming. Heading to deeper at we will have to really brainstorm our ideas. Now brainstorming, what is brain and what is storming? Brainstorming. So you will have to create a storm inside your brain to figure out the ideas. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to go into the last page, APSC last page kana jam. Please, that's what go pelai we will write our topic. Yeah. Mo floods in Assam continue goise because I would have written that. You can continue with whatever topic you want to. So floods in Assam to ami likhi lolu, and then we are going to make a flow chart. We are going to make a flow chart. Okay. So flow chart to board ekdom beautification kori ami likhibo na lage. No one is going to give you marks for flow chart. If you write one letter, for example, if you want to write Assam and you write A and you understand that it is Assam, use shorthand. So apuni jodi pura ekdom you write full sentences, then no hobo. If you keep on writing full sentence in a brainstorming, why is it even called a flow chart? It should have been called an answer, or it should have been called a paragraph. Brainstorm kua kyo goise, brainstorming mane whole you will have to write in shorthand. Okay, and what are you going to write? This is you smiling because you know the heading, because you know the topic, and these are your ideas. Open your eyes, you're in mains. Okay, so you're smiling because you know your topic and these are your ideas about floods. So now what you are going to do, all these ideas have to be put in the APSC paper in the form of flow chart. Random bostu likhile no hobo. Now you will have to streamline the ideas that you have in your mind. These are the happy ideas that you have. Let me change the color. It will make it more happy. Let us use pink. Okay. Is the pink. Okay, so these are the happy ideas that we are going to have. Why are we happy? Because we know the topic and we have chosen it correctly without going into the myth যে unique বস্তুৱে বেছি marks পায়. So আমি যেতিয়া APSC বস্তুত আহিলো আহাৰ পিছত now we will write all these aspects. আমাৰ ওচৰত কি aspects আছে, কি aspects নাই. আমি economical aspect to জানো, political aspect to জানো, social aspect to জানো, technological aspect to জানো. কেনেকে কি জানো, we will write everything. We will write down everything. Also, we will write down যে আমি কি জানো. What do we know? What quotes do we know about flood? What songs do we know about floods? আমি কিবা জানো নেকি যে লুইটৰ ওপৰত কিবা আমাৰ ভূপেন হাজৰিকা দেৱে কিবা গান লিখি থৈছে নেকি, জয়ন্ত হাজৰিকা দেৱে কিবা গান লিখি থৈছে নেকি, which I can use in my intro or conclusion, whichever. Flood related মোৰ ওচৰত কিবা story আছে নেকি? Is there some story that I want to tell when I tell my topic of floods? All these ideas you need to scribble down in the last page of your answer sheet. Okay? So this is the answer sheet. My answer sheet looks very dirty. I hope yours looks dirty too, because dirty answer sheets means you have thought good. Clean brainstorming is generally not a very fruitful brainstorming. So make it as messy as you can. But fill it with ideas. Fill it with ideas, and after you are filling up with ideas, you should know how exactly you are going to do. This brainstorming is your map. Your map, good essay. This is your map for a good essay. Without brainstorming, you are never going to have a good essay. Write it down. Without brainstorming, you are never going to have a good essay. You are going to get lost in the middle, because without a map, আমি রাস্তাটো নাজানো নহয়, আমি তো নাজানো আমি কনক্লুশনত কি লিখিব লাইছো, আমাৰ কাৰণে ডেস্টিনেশনটো নতুন হয়. So we need to write down our map, and without the map, you are never going to get good marks. So make your map. So this is how you are going to make your map. I'll just clean everything so that it looks a little bit visible. Okay, no. Look at the module that has been written for you. There you will effectively get 1.5 hours to write each essay, and it might look like a very long time, but this is the only frame where you will get to choose the topic, jot down your ideas, structure it, and write it as well. So in the first 15 to 20 minutes, star. In the first 15 to 20 minutes, you are advised to make a flow chart, listicle of the ideas you have in association of the chosen topic. Tar mane ki 15 to 20 minutes ke basi time nolobo, not. Do we have a red here? Yes. I will write it in red so that it gets inscribed in your mind. Do not take more than 20 minutes. At 20 minutes mane eta 20 nohoy ko, for both essays mane 10 minute each. Do not take more than 10 minutes to brainstorm. Do not take more than bracket 9 okay. Do not take more than 20 minutes to brainstorm. So 20 minutes, 10 minutes each for both of the essays. Take 10 minutes, time it. Sai thakibo adha ghonta hoy gele kintu amar pispale conclusion likhibole time no hobo. So take 10 minutes each for the essay. Brainstorm your best ideas, songs, quotes, whatever. If I still remember that I got a 136 in my UPSC essay, and I quoted Spider-Man. I quoted, with great power comes great responsibility. So I think it worked well with the examiners. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten a good mark. So you can make it as interesting as possible. Any random ideas that you have in random ideas, relevant ideas. Okay, you cannot write why this Kolavari D and you cannot get marks for that. So you have to quote anything that is relevant. But if you think that makes your article interesting, just quote it.